Hello, I'm Ward from River City Events. Thank you so much for renting from us. Your speaker package with a single mic is very easy to put together, and we'll show you all the steps to get it up and operating as quick as possible. So your speaker package with a single microphone comes with a number of elements. Obviously, the biggest element is the speaker. Please be careful, they're very heavy, but they give us amazing quality sound. The second component of the package is the tripod stand. There will also be a microphone, an XLR cable, which is used to plug the microphone into the speaker, and the power cable for the speaker. To extend the legs, we're going to loosen this bottom knob, and then we're just going to push down on the top of the mounting for it. We don't want to extend them too far, we just want them having nice broad stance so that this is a nice stable platform for the speaker. The second part is we need to raise the mast to the speaker height, to the height we want the speaker at. To do that, we loosen off the next knob and we pull up the mast. We find the height that we want, and then we insert the pin. Every speaker stand comes with a pin. The pin goes in the hole and out the other side. Then you just want to push down so that the pin rests on this collar. This is what does all of the work in holding the speaker safely up. You can loosen or tighten this knob up a little bit. You don't have to go crazy. Just finger tight is all it needs because this pin's doing all the work. Next step is to put the speaker on top of the tripod. The tripod goes into this hole on the bottom of the speaker. Now please, please, please be careful or get help with this. These speakers are heavy and you're going to be lifting them above your head. So take the speaker, lift it up, find the hole, and it simply sits there. Next thing is to provide power to the speaker. It is done through a usual sort of computer-like cable and is simply inserted into the slot and make sure it's seated firmly. Then you can plug into any standard 110 volt plug. Just as an FYI, you can put up to 4 of these speakers on one circuit. We have power to the speaker. Before we turn it on, we want to plug in our source. In this case, it's going to be an XLR cable that has a microphone at the other end. And we're going to go into channel 1, input 1, in this connector. It may not look like it fits, but it will. Just keep rotating until it pops in. Now it's popped in, we're good to go. Now that we have the cable plugged into the input, we need to put something at the other end of the cable. This is the other end of the cable, and we're going to put a microphone on it. It's an XLR connector, has 3 pins. This has 3 pins. We simply mate them together until we hear the click. Now that we've connected this all together, we want to make sure that this switch up beside where we plug the cable in is set to a microphone. This is a microphone, that must be set to a microphone. Great work. You've plugged the cable in, you've put a microphone at the other end of it, you've set the input switch to mic. We're all set to turn the speaker on. Just before we turn the speaker on, we want to confirm that the input level is down to 0 so we don't get some accidental feedback. We know it's at 0, so we can come down, we can turn the speaker on. We can confirm that the speaker has power with a flashing LED indicator up here, and we can begin to turn the volume slowly up on the input. We want to do it slowly so we make sure we don't get feedback. So by turning it up slowly, 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 and we just want to be careful we don't get too far so we hear this. That means we've gone too far and we need to back it away just a little bit. Now your speaker's ready to go, and you can talk to whoever you want. All the microphones we use have an XLR input on the bottom end of it that fit an XLR cable. Some microphones have a switch on it. When you plug the microphone into the speaker and turn the volume up, if you still don't hear anything, double check to make sure there isn't a switch on the mic. Sometimes they're hidden, because if you look at the mic this way, you'd never know there was a switch on it. Well, congratulations. You got that microphone plugged into the back of the speaker and everyone can hear you now. We appreciate your business. We hope you come back and rent with us in the future. I'm Ward from River City Events. Have a great day.